everybody, welcome back to my channel. CVS, I was up last night. I was up when the system updates, so it's 11 o'clock Central Time, and I'm like, oh, it's 11:02, gotta check the app. And I was so excited because I'm finally getting CRTs of things I've never gotten before, period. And I'm finally getting CRTs of stuff that I've always wanted to get, but I've never gotten them. So I was excited. I'm like, sweet, it's gonna be a good day. I'm running behind because I was just taking my sweet time at CVS, you know, trying to figure out some deals. Some stuff that I wanted to do was sold out, which is not a big deal, and then I just let people go ahead of me, so it just took a lot longer. And then they did construction. There is a construction area right by CVS. It's about a mile long. I had to go 7 minutes out of my way to get to CVS, and the employee, who's now becoming my favorite cashier, he said he drove through it and he got a ticket. So I'm like, okay, I'm happy I didn't drive that less than 1 mile construction zone, but I'm hoping they have it fixed soon, because it's like I don't want to drive all the way around just to go there. But anyways, I'm here to bring you guys my deals. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with Persil. I love Persil. This is pretty much the only laundry detergent I have used in the last like 7 years. Anyways, these were on sale for $4.99. I don't get the insert coupons for these anymore, but I did have a $2 off digital, and then I had a $2 off printable from a couple weeks ago. I can't remember what the site's called, but it's like something about a care something, and I was able to print it off, and it didn't expire till June 15th. So I'm like, oh, it's still valid. I wanted to use that coupon because I did not want it to go to waste. And then I had a 2 off of 2 CRT. So, oh, and I will be bringing you guys the breakdown so you guys can check out the printable breakdowns of the deals that I do. And then I also will be starting to take photos of the deals. Some deals I did not take a photo of, so I just wasn't sure, but I am bringing that back. A lot of you guys have been wanting that, so I just want to give you guys a heads up with that. But they are coming back. Anyways, $4.99 for these. I used the two. I just got these for $3.98, or just $2 a piece. I think this is a pretty good deal for how I never get Persil. I like to stock up on that stuff, so I think that was a great deal for what I did. So I'm here to share with you guys. So my store has been sold out of the Schick men's hydro razors for weeks now. I can't check. I checked on the app to see if it would show they showed in stock. It didn't say anything. The cashier said there's supposedly some in stock. He went back and looked for them. He could not find them, and I'm like, that's okay. If they did have those, this would have been a great moneymaker, but it still became free. So I ended up doing it this way. So I got the Skintimate razors. These were $5.99. I actually got 3 of them, and I used 2 insert coupons, or there are printables, but I used 2 insert coupons, and then I used a $4 digital coupon. Okay, I also had a 4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT that I used for that, so I went towards that. And then this deal, you get $5 when you spend 15 or more, I think is what it was. So I got that. Then I ended up getting the Schick Intuition. These were the only ones my store had, but these were $8.99, and I used 2 $4 off insert coupons that we got in today's paper. So I had a 6 off of 30 CRT. So I'm like, okay, so between these and these, it came to be over $30. So I'm like, I'm definitely doing this deal. If I can pick these up. So I ended up doing this. So my grand total for all 5 of these, after the coupons and the CRTs factored in, I ended up getting this for just $5.95. But you get $5 back when you buy, I think it was a spend or 3 of them, I can't remember. And then you get $5 back when you buy spend 15, I know. So I ended up getting $10 back in an extra care buck. So these came to be a $4.05 moneymaker. Now if I had the Schick Hydro, it would have probably been a way bigger moneymaker than that. I cannot pick up that other one in my hand. But anyways, if you guys need to stock up on razors, definitely go ahead and do it. So I was excited for that. Then I also just got the regular Skintimate. Now these are actually on sale for $2.99. I had a $1 off insert coupon that we got. I ended up paying just $1.99 for this, but then you get a $1 extra care buck, making it just 99 cents. So I got that also. Now I did the tampons deal because yeah, and I was sitting on the floor doing my math, and I came up with one number, and then I came up with a different number, and then I came up with like nothing was going my way. Well, then I get to the cashier, and I give them, I had a 6 off, what did I have? I had a 2 off of 16, any tampons, whatever, CRT, and then I had a 5 off of 15 Kotex. Now, what I needed to do is have it to be over $31. I totally drew a blank. I was at like $29 and something cents. So I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta go back and get it. So I had to go back and get one more thing, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to use that CRT, so why not? So I ended up doing the Playtex deal. I am not a big fan of this product. I don't know why. I'm just not, this is probably my least favorite. But this was $9.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. And this was $6.49. So I got this half off. So I got this for like $3.24 or something. So I had that. I actually had a $5 off Playtex CRT. So I ended up using that. And then there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used also. So I got that. Then I ended up getting the Kotex. Now these Kotex were $6.59. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So I ended up buying 3 of them. So basically one was 50% off, and the, two of them were $6.49. So bought these. I ended up using a dollar, and a digital $1 off coupon. Then I also had the 5 off of 15 CRT that I used, and then with all those I used the 2 off of 16, but I needed 31 altogether, so I had to go run back, and I just got this. This was $2.09 for that. So I ended up paying $13.29 for all 6 of these boxes. I can't think. 6 of these boxes. And then you get a $5 extra care buck when you buy, spend 15 with the Kotex. And you get a $3 extra care buck when you spend 12 with the Playtex. But there's actually a deal in Fetch Rewards. It is a limit of 2. But if you buy any Kotex product on Fetch Rewards, you get 2,000 points each. So I ended up getting 4,000 points, which is $4. So my grand total for all 6 boxes came out to be $1.29 or 21 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And it's been a while since I've been buying feminine products. I mean, I've been buying the Poise pads and everything, but I haven't bought real good feminine products for a while. So pretty excited for that deal. And I like to expand my options. So my store has also been sold out of my store has also been sold out of all of the mascara for CoverGirl. They've been sold out of the eyeliner or the eyebrow pencils, which is not a big deal. But I'm like, okay, let's see what else I can get. So I ended up getting the CoverGirl concealer. Now these were $7.79. I had a spend 15 get $3 off CRT, so 3 off of 15 CRT. And then I used 2 $3 off insert coupons that we got from my inserts, I think 2 weeks ago. Paid $6.58 for both of these, but then you get a $7 extra care buck, making us a 42-cent moneymaker. So I got those absolutely free, and I made some money. And then I have one more deal for you guys. So I've been getting a text from CVS like once every week, and I had it where if you buy one snack, you get one free. And I'm like, okay, let's see what I can stack this with. Well, I was kind of in a hurry, and I also had $1 off of 2 Gold Emblem CRT, which is the CVS brand. And I was trying to figure out like what else I could get. Now, I really love these cashews, and we're going on a little mini road trip this week. So I thought these are great to have for little snacks. So these were $1.69. I used the buy one get one free, and then I used the $1 off of 2 CRT. So I got these for just 69 cents. 69 cents for 2 things of nuts. I think this is a pretty good deal. I could have probably done a better deal. Like, I did scan some of the candy, but that was not included as a snack. So I thought, that's fine. I was totally fine with what I got. So 69 cents for 2 things. I used to get those constantly when CVS used to have printable coupons. I used to get those all the time. So, yeah. So I get to the checkout. I always remember to put my receipt on my clipboard. Well, I didn't do it this time, and I don't recall the cashier giving it to me, and I did not realize it until I got home when I'm about to submit my receipt to fetch rewards and do all my math. I'm like, I don't have my receipt. Now, I looked in all my bags. I went and looked in the car. I went and looked in my purse. I ended up looking where I keep all my CRTs. I had like a big ball of them. I kind of skimmed through it, could not find it. So I'm like, crap, I don't think he gave them to me. So I called the store. He's on his break. He called me back about 30 minutes later. I'm very sarcastic with him, so I'm like, you know, he understands that I'm just messing with him. I'm like, I don't give him crap. Like, that's when I feel comfortable with cashiers, is when I can give them crap and they just take it because they know I'm messing around with them, and you know, and I'm serious when I need to be, but I just like to make people laugh. That's just what I like to do. And he's like, I actually checked the camera. And I'm like, okay. He's like, you actually rolled it in with all your CRTs. And I'm like, really? I'm like, I looked in there and I cannot find them. He's like, yeah, I watched the camera and I watched you just roll them up. And I'm like, okay, let me check. So I checked for the 3rd time, and go figure, my receipt was in there. I was like such an idiot. I says, thanks for letting me be a bigger idiot than I was. And he just starts laughing. But I'm like, seriously, where the heck is my receipt? Because I was trying to do my math without my receipt, because I'm just like, whatever. And I'm like, I don't want to drive to the store just to go get a receipt. So thankfully I was an idiot and just put it in my CRTs, but I was happy about that because that was $26 of CRT, extra care bucks that I was supposed to get, which I could just send to my card, so that was not a big deal. So my total between everything that I got came to $4.52. I did the Persil in a separate transaction because I didn't realize I had that $2 off coupon, and when I was checking out, I'm like, okay, so I just did that. But so that was $4.52 for everything. I could have had a lower out of pocket, but I just didn't grab my CRT or my extra care bucks when I bought the Persil. But I ended up using $28 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $26 back. Fetch rewards, I did receive 4,000 points, which is $4 back. So my grand total came to $2.52. I got 18 items at just 14 cents a piece. I was pretty excited for that. I was trying to find Hallmark cards that were 99 cents. I could not find anything. I wasn't really in a huge, I was not like just sitting there looking for everything because people kept walking by. I was going to do the Efferdent, but my store was sold out of the Efferdent. And then I wanted to get, I was looking at Maybelline, but I didn't get that. And then I was going to get the Snuggle, but I just didn't want to pay that much out of pocket because I'm cheap. So that's what I was going to get. And then I was looking forward to getting the Suave deal, but I did not get the Unilever again. This is the 3rd time I have not gotten the Unilever. A lot of you guys have been saying you have not gotten the Unilever. I actually went to the Unilever website. I typed Unilever and I wrote contact us with the US, and I sent them a message saying, hey, I love, you know, saving money. And I said I used to always rely on getting the Unilever whenever it came out in my inserts, and I said for the last couple months I have not received it. Can you please help me with that? I says I live in Wisconsin, so I'm just waiting for a response back to see what they say, but a lot of you guys are having the same problem. So if you guys can do this, if you're not getting it, contact Unilever, just write them a message, tell them what area, what state you live in. Maybe I think if we can get a ton of us doing this, then maybe we can all start getting Unilevers again. So just start, not really complain, but be nice about it, but just, you know, start doing something, because maybe they'll be like, what? Anyways, so that's what I did. So I'm just waiting to hear back from them. Today's Sunday, so we'll have to wait a couple days. But anyways, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the pictures that I took for you guys of my stuff, and then also the printable breakdowns below. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.